take a moment and we're gonna take a moment and let everybody get in here. Yo, what's up, Cam? Heck yeah, man. Been a busy weekend. Hope you had a good weekend too, brother. This is holding up like a beast right now. Holding up like a beast. Definitely what I want to see. And this is huge right here, man. You know, this is the day. This is the 12 hour, but looking at the day. What I'm expecting to see. Look, we're at that blue line too. This is decision time. Climb up. This daily candle, I still think it'll push higher. Even if it closed like that, man, I think we still good. But these next few days, here no problem. And when we get past that, that's the question where we're going from there. I won't be surprised to see 3 greens like this. I got some interesting things to show on Bitcoin when we do get there. But this chart on Pump Farm, man, still means so much. It still means so much. As much as I love using MEXC now, it's like I've put so much work into this chart. I don't want to just like neglect it. So I'm still using it. It was awesome to catch that night. We caught that live. That was pretty cool. And then you had a candle come above the gold line. We're still above it. But like I said, one happy surprise we play around in this range like we did here. Over here. But everything looks great. There's no need for concern to me, man. This is up, sideways, up, sideways, up, sideways, up. That's what I'm seeing, guys. See? Been using it. Like I said, I love charting over here on MEXC now, but this chart has been so important since my first few streams, and still charting this on the 12 hour. Once we got out, up, sideways, up, sideways, up, sideways. This is good. This is good. Holding that gold line is very important. Very important. Okay, now where would true trailblazers start to be like concerned? I don't even use the word concerned. Like, what would I think? There we go. If I was to say, you know what, it's time for me to sell some other cryptos and put more in the class, you're starting to see the 12 hour candles come down here like that. I don't see that, and I can show you why here. It's holding up pretty strong over here. The daily and the 12 hours gives it away. Where you're gonna see here in this candle is today's candle, so we don't know where this is gonna close yet, but this is that blue line I made a few days ago. Still think we see this. Okay, got the 3 sideways. There's your 3 sideways. It's just these are, small, big, 2 bigs, medium, small. But this 4th one here, tie in with this one. Okay. Like I said, it's chilling. It's chilling. And it's in this zone. We talked about once we broke out of this zone, then we're in this zone. Once we broke out of this zone, then we're in this zone. And then we're out of here. It's more clear on here. It's more clear on here. Okay. This zone right here. Very important. Alright. So, like the 1 minute. We might even catch a pump tonight on stream. And we're looking at the 15-minute candles now. This is good. This is good. On the short time frames, we are past this blue line. And then that weekly. Don't forget about the weekly. We don't have many weeklies. It's a Tony Grip, man. Welcome into the stream, brother. So, this candle did open up right here. So, I'm still expecting the weekly candle, guys. The weekly candle to be green. We have the whole week for this candle right here. Okay, we have this one come up, finish here, and I still strongly believe this is finished green. Now this is when I go to Bitcoin. This candle right here, I know most of you guys probably not gonna go back and rewatch my streams from last week, but this candle was down here red as hell. Red as hell. This was the reason why everybody on, Monday and Tuesday, not us, but people out there thought that we could go down to 90K and all of that crap. And I've been saying all week, I believe this candle, I know Cam, you've been here, you know this, I believe this is going to push back up and close up here with these lines. And since I'm looking at this, it closed at 114. Is awesome. It closed above 113. That's extremely important. And I expect this weekly candle for Bitcoin to push up and retest these candles here. And that's going to put you in that 120 to 126K range. Now, do I think it'll go above that this week? I don't know. But what I will tell you, the white line is leading the way. The gold line, if you look at these numbers here, the gold line is in the middle and the purple is on the bottom. And when I see that, and they're all next to each other, man, this Bitcoin got space to run. It has space to run. But for you guys that's just joining, I was showing the 12-hour chart on Clash on Pump Farm. Hopefully you guys can hear me all right too. I'm actually look at the daily one too. Holding up just fine. Don't worry about this. This was important earlier. Put that circle there before those candles even got in there. That was pretty sweet to see that. And this, I don't know why I have this one up. What? Awesome. Thanks, Cam, for that. Thanks for that. All right. So the best thing that I can say is on the actual daily chart. It's not even the 12 hour, which is my favorite time frame. The 12 hours holding sideways. Boom, boom. The daily chart though, it's the best looking chart to look at, to be like, hey, are we gonna pump this week? From what I'm looking at here, I will bet yes. I will strongly bet yes. Of course, you can wick down like the numbers over here. Of course, you can wick down. So, of course, I would want to see this wick down below here, especially below that blue line. But it could wick all the way down to the green line if it really wanted to. You know, if it wanted to wick down to take this candle off before it continue on, it could if it wanted to. Okay, that's why I have this as long as I do. Wick up to here, wick down to there. But that doesn't change the outlook of everything. Okay. This candle could still be green, but wick down here. It could wick all the way down, like what Bitcoin did. It wicked down, but came all the way back up to close up the continuation. Bitcoin looked great, man. Wow, that 3-day, wow, oh my. Dude, this is gonna be back up here before the FOMC meeting. Guys, yeah, Bitcoin is, wow, okay. I'm charting Bitcoin for the first time since last night, so. Wow, the 12 hour is beautiful, beautiful. Wow, okay. Come to the chat real quick. Cam said, I'm hoping when meme season does fly, Clash doesn't get those nasty pump and dumps, even if it's up to new crazy highs. Yeah, I agree with you, man. I really don't know what to expect besides higher prices. That's really with everything in crypto, right? Even some of your crappy coins is gonna catch runs. You know what I'm saying? I'm liking this there's that with accumulation zone style pump. Oh yeah, you're right, man. Definitely. Boom, boom, and then the next pump is coming. It's coming, man. It's coming. Like, look how many like when it got up to this range, when it got over here, when it came down to this range, it was here for a while. Like, you got wicks. These two don't matter. Wicks, damn near close. You know, there's a lot going on over here. So I'm not surprised. That's why I say I'm not surprised for it to go sideways if it got over here. I do think it's not gonna go sideways much longer. Let me just play some chess with this. I don't even think it go that. Man, it could be any one of these 12-hour candles. But once again, looking at the daily, guys. Daily's holding up strong. This candle could push all the way up here if it wanted to. It really could. But if this candle turns green, tomorrow we're green, we're up here. Like, if this turn green and start to push, man, this candle is gonna close above these candles. I believe that, man. It's gonna push up. It could close somewhere like right here, and then that next daily, watch out. We're going for that green line up there, which is over here. Green line as well over here. So, nothing to worry about, man. I love George saying, man, when in doubt, zoom out. When when in doubt, zoom out. Just to play around with some other time frames. Once again, you got all this, boom, boom, and this candle isn't done yet. Let me see when the next one come in. October 29th. So this candle, man, you can expect this candle to be like from here. No, it's gonna like here. Minimum. So you got 3 days to play around with this candle to get it back up here, which puts it at 65 minute market cap. So on the daily, this candle went to push up. I just feel like it's gonna be way higher than that, man. I feel like it's gonna be way higher than that. Let me see here. Not much to give me on this. Man, this candle, it might just follow the blue line that I put here, man. Just push right up to the green line on a 3-day. This is the best looking chart I have, man. This is the best looking chart I have. Thank you guys for coming into the stream to hang out. To the Charts After Dark late night edition. Tony said, yep, Tiger here. Cam said, I wonder what the new holders will bring. Holder count versus MC. Utility, I don't mind being small. Holder count leading to higher MC. Let to see sub 9K holders before 100 million. That'd be sweet, man. But for some reason, a lot of people like buying green, man. Once Clash really gets to trending, I feel like that's got to be like a huge catalyst to get like more holders, right? Because this is like with anything else, right? Like when I first got into crypto, besides the $1 I put in Bitcoin years before I actually got in, my buddy was like, Shiba Inu, Shiba Inu. Of course, I went and got some. It was popular at the time. Cam said, at least then the new guys can FOMO us up to the hundreds of million while whales hold us down on the climb. He said Clash will fly. It's just a matter of time. Meantime, buy the dips, yes sir. Now, like I said, if you get them, 4 hours better for it. If you get them. So this blue line here. It's 46 million come back into play, which was this zone right here. I don't have the line here anymore for this one. I took it off, I think, Friday night stream because I was like, we don't need that anymore. But I still have it over here. So if you wanted to, be like, hey. But to me, man, when you believe in something, say you DCA into it, no matter if it's up or down, up or down. I mean, look at all George's buys. So, but I don't believe it's gonna, curve and do something like that. But if it were to come down to 46 million. Even if that was the case, I think this would be a little caught up closer to the 46 million. Let's see. Could be. But like I said, I highly doubt that, but if it did, you're setting up for whatever you want to call that. But we said streams ago that 46 million is a very important spot. To hold. But in crypto, none of us ever know 100%, where's the candle at? Classy boy, man. You like to play games with us sometimes. You play hide and seek now, man. Classy boy. Tell you what. By the time you wake up, depending on where you live, this candle here, dude, Bitcoin. Who's expecting 120k Bitcoin today on Monday? Anybody? Man, you better believe it, man. You better believe it. Dude. Wow. And this gotta catch up. So this pumps all the way to 120k today. That'll force the gold to cross the purple either Tuesday or Wednesday. So you'll have, like, okay, so here's an example. Not looking at the lines, just looking at the candles right here. Well, we have a day like this, Tuesday or Wednesday for Bitcoin, and a continuation. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or. But this is gonna push up, and there will be one red day where it's like down like 0.4% or something. That's just throwing out numbers. But man, 120 Bitcoin today. Geez, by the time Georgia's streaming in the morning, man, it could be. Well, this candle. Oh, we look at the daily. I'm sorry. I'm thinking this is a 12-hour chart. So this could be the whole day. I don't know what time it'd be. The 12-hour. Oh. I mean, the 12-hour, 8 a.m. over here. This one is above everything. I mean, if it wanted to stay right, I guess it could. So it may not be this 12-hour candle, but it could be the 12-hour candle after this. There's nothing slowing it down. Just looking at stuff, man. Just looking at stuff. We're right at this blue line, y'all. We have 4 candles in the blue zone. Tony said it's just Monday and people haven't really woken up yet. Yeah, you're right, man. What do you guys think about this, man? You see this? See this? Boom. I mean, the daily. This is a clear visual 120s right here under our noses again. Tony said also many people get their salary today. Jeez, I want some salary, man. I want salary. I want some salary, man. A paycheck. Where's Crow at? This is my paycheck right here. I'm just ready for the monthly to flip. Right back up to 30 cents for November. That's what I'm thinking. Right back to 30 cents in no time. is Picoin up 8%? Is Picoin waking up? Dude, I haven't seen Picoin up above these lines since over here, but it came right back down. Wow, is this coin trying to make a move? No fucking way. I do want to look at E4 right here. Oh, oof. Oof. Fuck. Eve, you about to go crazy. Oh my goodness. Oh. $4,500 ETH this week, and then Solana. Let's go look at Solana. $230 Solana. Get past this damn wick and this gold line to 11. Solana is a little, it could be this candle, but then it could be next week candle too, which is the start of November. Oh, this is what I like to see. If I see one of these, pendant, whatever they call this candle, but this on a monthly with the white, the gold in the middle, and the purple on the bottom, dude, this next month candle, all-time highs coming for Solana, man. Look at this V right here, man. Dude. Clash is pushing. Back to 60 million. Let's see if we can catch a pump on stream. Go Clashy. Hey, it's Russ Rami is in the chat. Hey, what's up, man? Trying to see if we can get some catch some pumpage on Clash just for a little bit here, or to see if Clash is gonna tease us. Oh, you wanna tease us? Ooh, that 5 minute looking strong. Guys, we might get a little bumpy on stream tonight. I might have to go get my juice, man. Hold on, man. Every time I get excited, man. Close above this, please, man. Get some pumping. 604, 604. And it came slightly below. Literally like 0.00001. Oh, man, you wanted to close at 604, it closed at 639, but it looked like Clash doesn't care. Come on, Clashy, you can do it. Oh yeah, because the purple line was at 6038 now. Yeah. Ooh, 15. Okay. We might get it. We might get it tonight. Yeah, we might get it tonight. Ooh, look at the 1 hour. Okay, so this is looking like the setup here for Bitcoin. But this is the weekly candle. Just one example. Boom, boom. Out. That's what I'm seeing here. It's got all these little debacle going on in here, trying to trick you, and then we out. But these short time frames just messing with us. You got 9 minutes to the close. That 30 minute, this could, I mean, this is already good where it's at, but it would be really nice if it closed like right here, 6-0, 6-4. But that's the goal line is curling up on all the shorter time frames. Yeah, man, I think it's juice time. If we can get, we get a 5-minute candle to get above this purple line, dude. I'll be gone for 30 seconds so I can get the juice. So it's probably gonna happen at the next 5-minute candle, but if not, I think the top of the hour. So we got 8 minutes, 3 minutes to 8 minutes. But I kind of expected this to happen when this closed, literally 0.0001 cent below where it needed to get. It works sometimes. Okay, so Bitcoin highest has been on the 1-hour chart since 10/13, so October 13th. So that means that 1 hour on Bitcoin. Oh, sheesh. There's about to be a continuation on Bitcoin too. Oh, we making that whatever you call this. Whatever you call that. Okay, I'm not greatest with the terminology. My eyes and brain just see things. It's always been good at math, but not like reading and writing in class back in the day. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I think we're gonna get it. I'm gonna have to go get the juice, man. The purple line now is at 6038. We're at 6035. I think we're gonna get it. Who's buying? Who's buying? Four sold by, 7 sold by. Eat that up. Look like there's more buys than sales right now. That's good. That's good. Is there a 5-minute example that did this? This breakthrough, man, we're pushing back to 62 million pretty quickly. Oh, yep, there it go. Oh. Watch this candle push us up. 62 million. Yeah, I'll show you guys. Hopefully that guy in the Discord, what was his name? I don't know. I wonder if he came in so he got to see some stuff on a longer time frame. Okay. It's gotta close above that though. push. You can push. This is a zone I'm watching for right here. I'll take this off before I end the stream. Just playing around in these shorter time frames, just having some fun. But on a short time frame, we're gonna touch that blue line together tonight. Maybe. Why did it? Wait. Oh, you guys can see all the way at the top of my tabs. I don't know why the logo for Pump Fun went from a green and white pill to like orange. Oh, because of Halloween, I see. Kind of pumpkin. The 5 minute is not being friendly. Cam said, guy who Sister P is his name. Oh yeah, the 5 minutes not being friendly. Oh, it's going down to touch that though. It's gonna whip back up strongly. Nope, the close on there. So is this one gonna just push back up strongly? For anybody that's in the stream that's probably wondering what the heck we're looking at Clash. And if you don't even know what crypto charts is, or I don't know what to tell you. And if you're new at all of this, especially these short time frames, do not let the short time frames mess with your emotions. It's 4 hour candle. Let me get the next one. 4. Held that pretty good. I want to see where this next hourly candle come in at. Might get just that if oh yep, move up some more. 5977. Come on, Clash. Sharks is really teasing tonight, man. Just so you guys know, when I started the stream, I said I don't expect Clash to do something extravagant tonight. Of course, I'm hoping for it to do that, especially while I'm live. You know, it's always nice to see that. But I like it's gonna chill on us. I'll still expect a 4 hour to hold. 59 million. I mean, we wicked below, but we're back above it. Just keep in mind that the 12-hour and the daily still looks great. So in the longer time frames, we are just fine. Shorter time frames is just chop. Alright. What was our last low on a 4-hour? Right here. October 25th at noon. So just going up, retest, and then eventually get back up to this blue line again. And the 12-hour and daily shows us that pretty good. You guys always talk about buying lower. The only way I would see lower in this is if you get this daily. Actually, yeah, I don't even. Well, I guess you could do it on a 12-hour too, but you get the 12-hour to go below this blue line here and start to come touch this down here. And on the daily, same thing. Come touch this down here. And if for some reason it went below that, you better be ready to buy everything. Every class that exists. But I strongly doubt that. As the weekly candle, in my opinion, is up here. Anywhere between here and that green line. If it goes past, I'm happy with that too. I won't be surprised if it do a wiki and that's down to 42 million. I wouldn't be surprised. Or we're going to touch that too. It's just what I think, man. Definitely agree with you, Grit. Like Bitcoin having a chill hour too. Yeah, it's gonna have a chill hour. First 15-minute candle. Got 1, 2, 3, 4. Because I doubt this is about to be 4 reds in a row to give it a full red hour. And if it did, it would be something like this, but it's already touched the goal line. Candle flipped green and everybody left the stream. Clashy's pumping. Uh-oh. Clashy pumping. Clashy pumping. Y'all better get back in the stream. And then boom. missed it. We pumped and then came back down. I started to get a little excited. Close below that. Ooh. You guys probably don't want to watch those short terms anymore because you can see some more red, huh? Oh, Flashy's holding that thing, man. Holding it like a beast. If we get below that, yeah, we would have started to like this candle would have started to get closer to the goal line, but Flashy don't know what it wants to do right now. I'm gonna say green. Green? Go green. It's like betting on candles, like betting on roulette, black and red. We get our own little gambling schemes out of it. You think the next candle's gonna be red or green? Uh-oh, I would have lost this one. It's not over yet. I got $5 on this being green. The fastest $5 I lose. Yep, I lost $5, boys. I started streaming 48 minutes ago. Get that new 15-minute candle in 6 minutes. Look, that next 15-minute candle, man, has to be the candle that pushes back up. I guess for that, I'll double down and be like, I'll bet $10 on that one. But now, if it pushes below here, and on the 4-hour is 59.03, and we're 59.43. 1 hour 37. Yeah, so overall, you want to hold 59 million market cap basically even. If not, then you may say 55 and play in the short term. Or 58. But I wouldn't be surprised if this 12-hour candle that we're in right now that look nasty just turns green. Starts to push up. But that means this will have to happen. Wait, yeah, I'm on a 12-hour candle. Before 8 a.m. So you're talking 6 hours from now. This candle is out the blue. It's here. I don't know. I don't know. I do have a stream, guys, 12 hours from now. looking back at everything we looked at and seeing what happened. We'll have a candle right here at that time. This candle will still be the same. Well, it won't be. I don't know where it's gonna be, but I'm saying this. We won't have a new daily candle yet, so this candle will still be here. It could be higher, could be lower, could be the same area. Excuse me. Of course, we'll have plenty more blue candles. Past this blue line there. So I'm gonna be looking deeply into the 12-hour and 1 day candles. On the stream right off the back. And we want to hold that 59 million on the 12-hour close. And as you can see, that's a line I created, but this is MXC line. And they have it. If you go below that, close below that, we can go touch that 55 million, which means we'll start to break that. Should be fine. I don't think it happened though. Like I said, yes, support 46 million. All the way down here. Somebody bought a good little bag of Classy. This is still the lowest point. We didn't get a newer low. That's good. And actually, this candle is lower than this. This is just like one big little. If this was the play out, you got 15. That'd be 12 hours, isn't it? 10 o'clock. 10 and 10 is 12. See, this why, and I wouldn't be surprised if this 12-hour just decided to just rip ass out of nowhere. Just curved and shot of that whole line. I would not be surprised. I've seen crazier. I'm not saying that's happening 100%, but I would not be surprised. This 4 hour, I guess we gotta look at the candles into this. So you got, okay, so you got one more 4 hour coming into play. Inside of that 12-hour candle. And this is holding up like a beast up there. Want to hold 58.99. Still, oh, now we're at 58.98. But, excuse me. We got plenty of time before this close, so just fine. But for that 12-hour to push up, to here, I mean, you need the 4 hour, the next one at least. Wait, what was that price point? 69, I said. anything is possible, alright? Interesting stuff to look at tonight. The daily overall, I think is the best chart to look at to see like potential, so to say. That gold line is sitting at 59.42. I do not think this candle is closing at 59 million market cap, boys. I'm gonna wake up, the chart will be like 66 million or something. I don't know. Let's play around with the hourly too. And there, look, man, these lines are so freaking close to each other. Whether there's gonna be a down or up, it's gonna be massive. Massive, massive. It's just getting too congested here. And I don't see downside. Especially looking at this. Or even the weekly. When they see Clash, he playing hide and seek again. Pickable, where are you? That's funny. See, I don't think you see this, man. I'm just trying to play chess with the charts, but I don't think you see a three-way race. The cream retest of these two, and then a red candle for the weekly. Just no way, Jose. It's just. Oh, I just can't believe that. Like, it's like my grandma saying, "Hey, there's a dragon outside flying in the sky." Like, really? I don't believe that. Maybe that was a bad example, but Bitcoin's moving up, made a new high on the hourly in a short time. So those 15 minutes did flip. Okay, Bitcoin. What we just talking about, God, I would not be surprised if we wake up and Bitcoin is at 120, 121K. The 4 hour. Interesting stuff on Bitcoin right now. See, there's gonna be a cool off day coming when this cross. But you got some ways to go for that, man. They're like $2,000 apart from each other, and of course, as Bitcoin move up, they all gonna be moving up together. So the last 4 red candles in a row we had on a 15-minute was here. We got 3 right now here. But this is the one. No, these are the 2 for the new hour here. So you get a whole red hour? I think not. Actually, it's gonna do some type of turnaround eventually tonight, this morning. Right now, it's just like in the range, this range. literally sitting right on top of that damn goal line. Very interesting stuff, man. Guess I'll check the 30-minute real quick. Same stuff. So close together. Oh no, 1 hour to 30 minutes. What about a 2? This next 4-hour candle isn't green and pushing all the way up here, then I would expect this 12-hour candle to just chill here for the next one to do its thing, which still ties in to the daily candle. My eyes, out of all the charts, all the time frames, even my favorite one, you guys know I love, if you come to my streams, you guys know I love the 12-hour charts. But the best one to look at right now, for me, is the daily. Of course, I'm looking at all of them. But if you want your hopium, I think that's it. I don't know. This is really the hopium chart right here. We wicked what we got above that goal line, wicked past the green, came all the way back down. As long as we're in this zone, man, I'm banking 100,000%. We're going much higher. Even if we was to retest over here somewhere. But I don't think that, man. I think we're consolidating in the range right here. Really strong range, building a base. It's like boom, boom, boom. Because like you guys said, you know, as more people come in as we get higher prices, you don't want the dumps, you know, the retraces to be too wild. You know, what if we get a couple 12-hour candles and we get above here, or we actually get some body candles in this box for once instead of just wicks, and then we retest right here and keep going instead of retesting over here at the 52 million, which was an important line that we had here that we erased. That's literally here on previous streams. So instead of using this area as a base, we'll use this as a base if needs be. But you have these two candle touches here. You have wicks all around there. Wick here. We could even make that a base. I don't know. Just, you know, just talking it all over. But like I said, this 12-hour candle can still turn green if it wanted to. It's one of those candles, and the way these lines look like, it'll make you think it's going to go lower. Like this one was for Bitcoin when it was red all damn week. Well, most of the week last week until like Wednesday or something like that. Sunday was the 19th. Get off my stream. Red days, candle being red, and then they just got back up. Close nicely, put that up there. All the lines that you want to see leading the way. So you got the white, the gold, the purple. The purple and gold are so close together too. The gold is already in front of the purple, which is good. You would think that Bitcoin is like, oh, it's gonna chill right here, max today. No, nobody. Okay, can you fix my chart, please? Oh, yeah. Guys, Jorg stream in the morning gonna be live, man. He's gonna have that big smile on his face, man. And every time you see Jorg smile, you gotta smile too, man. Dude, it's gonna be a great start to the week. Not false move Monday. I think it's gonna be real move Monday. Real move Monday. Money Monday. Monday money. And then Tuesday, like I said, could be like one of these little guys here. You know, maybe one of these guys, something. On the 12-hour. Man, the daily. 12-hour. I mean, you got everything set. The purple and gold is away from each other, but when they cross, that's when I think you get one of those, you know, those days or whatnot. Just like a chill day where Bitcoin chills. Maybe it's like, you know, no more than a 1% red candle. What makes alts just pump. Alright, we got that next 15-minute candle coming in. This is the in 1 minute started to talk a little bit. Alright, come on. This is the candle right here. See the it turned green. If you want to see this hourly turn green and push, then we need this 15-minute candle to get its behind up here and stay at 60 million. Maybe even push this. Well, that's still 60 million. Push up here. If not, then this may just be a red candle. So weird, man. This just looks so weird. See, that's why I don't do the short time frames as much, man, because it's iffy. I can see why people that do leverage trading and stuff, you don't know what the hell you're doing. Even when you do know what the hell you're doing, the charts will play with you. Unless you just ride a momentum like this. What? Hourly. It's wild. Sheesh. hours, a little under 12 hours from now. And I think we're going to have some exciting times this week, which means definitely, oh my goodness, I can't speak. Definitely look forward to me streaming more at night this week. There's no way I'm going to sit on the sidelines and not be live for when we push towards this green line and beyond. You bet your ass. True Trailblazer gonna catch that ride, man. For real. We was live for this candle. That was funny. Somebody sent me a clip. I think it was Ramsey that sent me the clip, and I put it on my YouTube shorts. That was funny, man. That was funny. Okay, the 15 minute. Let's go. Turn that hour candle green. Let's go. Make me stay up 30 more minutes. Come on. Yeah. We just talked about this, boys. We need this 15 minute right here to be green. Come on. Alright, look at that goofy 30 minute chart again. Not bad. Okay. See? This candle might fuck around and surprise everybody, man. 4 hours look nasty. It's gotta be the next 4 hours. I'm saying this last candle that's gonna spawn in is gonna be part of that 12-hour candle that we're in right now. And this could be the candle that says, hey, I'm back right here. I don't know. The 1 minute is just not fun to look at. Well, if I leave and go look at the comments for a minute here, Clashy a pump. As it's just cooling off again. It's over 60 million again, though. These here, those here. Anyways, alright, super excited about Vegas. Yep, only Clash is pumping. George is still the king of crypto. Clash is legit the only thing pumping in crypto right now. I like George. Scam. Super strong community, giveaways, fun, many future events, surprises, trusting George, etc., etc. Do you know why? I love all of you. We are the best. We are the biggest. We are George. And I've read the rest of those. So that is the new comments for today. Last time I'm gonna pull up Bitcoin for tonight. I'm about to get ready to snooze. If you don't get you some snoozes, then you'll accumulate some. I don't know what the fuck I was about to say. I mean, the daily looks good. Daily looks good. 3A looks good. 3A looks really fucking good. looking on the 3 days, like this candle could take all 3 days to get up here. But I don't think it's gonna take all 3 days. It's gonna be before Wednesday. Shit, it looks like it's gonna be today. This candle could stay right there if it wanted to. The way Bitcoin moving. I don't know about that, buddy. I don't know. Anything is possible, though. Anything is possible. Yeah, I'm just gonna stick by. I think Bitcoin is about to be right back up here. Faster than you can say bull run. The 12-hour shows it, the daily shows it, the 3-day shows it. The weekly shows it. Okay. Forget all of these candles. Forget this candle and everything to the left. You have boom, retrace, retrace. Whatever they call this pattern here. I just look at it upside down and say it's a Galaga machine. Playing Galaga. Moving sideways and you shooting little damn ships. But yeah, that's that for Bitcoin. I'm going to leave my chart sitting right here so when I wake up I can see what happened. It's gonna be one new candle when I come in. So I'm gonna leave that there. And then for Clash. Man, this hourly candle is being going back and forth. As soon as I wake up, do what I gotta do in the morning, I'll be checking this. And I'll be checking the 4-hour candle here. I will be checking the 12-hour candle there. And I wonder if this is going to turn green at some point today. May not be this morning. May not even be early afternoon. But I wonder. But hey, let's see what tomorrow brings. This 15-minute candle, not bad. A little more, even close where it's at. It'd be nice to pump a little more, get that next 30-minute candle, push up back up to the 60 million. So things are showing. Start to push back up, get to 6 million, and keep going. Short time frame, the 15 minute could be fun to watch. guys, it's the 1 hours. It's getting tight. What else to play on it? Well, since it's 2 minutes to the next 15-minute countdown, I'll stay here for it, see it open, say my last little words, and then I'll let you guys go. Look at that candle, look at that candle. Won't be a bad close. I mean, the 1 hour gotta be looking a little better. Come on now. Send it. It's gonna do, but I guess we'll see. Bitcoin's moving up again. I wasn't supposed to bring this back up, but I seen it was at 800, so. Well, 115, 700 now, but I was gonna leave it on the 12. Excuse me. I think this candle finishes green in the 15-minute. Got 14 minutes for it. Alright, guys. That's gonna be it for the Charts After Dark stream tonight. I'll be live a little under 12 hours from now. And like I said, I think it's gonna be an exciting day. Watch how I paint on this, man. You know what? This is a 15-minute on this. Yeah, you do 15 minutes on here. Okay. think? Huh? This will put you at right around noon. Bitcoin is pushing. Sheesh. I'm telling you, guys, I'm telling you, you're gonna wake up. 121K. Alright, so I did this little whatever. We'll see what happens with that. I didn't mean to move that. Oh, I didn't move good. I think this candle is gonna be something interesting. Could just I guess we'll see. Maybe it's there right there and the next one pushes. Either way, those two candles are both into this one, and I think one of them at least be green, if not both. We got two of them that'll be a part of this, and this will be higher. That's what I think. I literally cannot wait to stream later to see the updates. Sheesh, Bitcoin. Jeez. Damn. It's down there 116. Wow. Sitting here, we could have been doing some leverage trading on stream. See, days like this with Bitcoin pumping, man, when you see this, it's the same shit. This is the way to get in and get out and stop playing with it. Feel like I should have gambled a little bit tonight. Oh well. Not financial advice. I gotta make sure I start saying it every day. Have people come to the stream and be like, hey man, you said I can make money doing this or doing that. Sheesh, man. I gotta go to bed, but seeing this, 116. Look, we caught something pumping. Oh, Clashy is pumping now too. Oh my goodness. Oh my lord. Uh-oh. See, I did say I was gonna get the juice if it closed above the purple. It didn't close though. See, I was supposed to be offline 5 minutes ago, and I would have missed all of this. So yeah, I gotta leave. If we sit here and view Clash, it stops, cause Clash know I'm watching. It's like my second girlfriend. See, I see it up there in the top corner. It just pumped up some more, but it doesn't want me to see the pump. It's like Clashy, like getting undressed, and she's like, no, don't look. I'm telling you, you got 121 Bitcoin on the way, 121K on the way. It feels good to have a good week coming, man. It feels good. What's that song? It's like an old school song, right? It's like, it feels good. I gotta like make a YouTube short and put that in the background. I think it's called It Feels Good. Come on, Clash. I'm watching the damn price up here at the top. Sheesh. What you doing to me? Clash is about to pump so damn hard when I go lay down. I think we're setting up for something like this. Maybe like this one over here. Yeah, this is a better example, because that pushes you up. And this one doesn't really have the same format of this right here, these three last candles, to this one, that one, and this one. Or my fault, they're just the red and two greens. The red and two greens. Stuff, man. Yeah, see, looking at this. Oh, there you go, Clashy. There goes Clashy. Oh yeah, let's go. I gotta bring it over now because they didn't hit it earlier. See, if I would have got offline 5 minutes ago, well, 10 minutes ago, now I would have missed all this. No, just stay healthy. Okay. Be a full pickle, not a half pickle. Get back up there. Oh man. Whoop. We got a candle above it. And I'm a man of my word, so I'm gonna get my juice real quick, even though probably nobody's here. Oh, there go Cam. She likes to come alive late night, I see. And I have to go get my juice now because I'm still live, and we finally got above it. So, dude, it's about to get very interesting in this market. Very interesting. So I'll be right back. Let me go get the damn juice, man. It's really late. So just a whistle. Like there was 3 of us that got to see this happen. All right. That one is for you, Clashy. I did say I was getting off stream, and then we went from 5 to 2. I was supposed to get off at this candle. If I want to get off on this candle, then boom. And Bitcoin is pushing. It's about to go even higher after it wants to flip back to green candles. Okay, now I got 2 minutes to hourly candle, so, and I expect that hourly candle to get past this blue line. At bare minimum, touch it. But Clashy is coming back, man. That's why I did this. Oh no. Oh, I guess I consumed this anyway. That's why I did this on a 15-minute. Which I know it's a shorter time frame, but this little thing right here, we're going back to 70 million in no time. 70 million is like the new 50 million. I don't see what's the worry. Why are we fretting? Well, not me or you guys, but some people. There's no. Oh no, man! I've been buying Clash like crazy. What am I doing? Let me just go back to the other chart. Let's see that 5 minutes stay above. I took my initial investment out very early. Like right here, I took my initial investment out. Then I bought more somewhere around here. And then just all over the place. Haven't sold any more Clash besides taking my initial investment out. Don't worry about price here. I didn't read. If I hit that refresh button, it's gonna take my lines away. Chart takes a while to update on its own. I gotta get this looking better. Look at that. It's getting this. Both of those are past. Oh, man. If I didn't have so much to do in the morning, man. Look at that candle, man. Look at that fucking candle. I'll be a dumbass if it don't. But like they said on the news, they was like, yeah, Trump one has said that if he was like very confident. So I wouldn't have said this if I wasn't very confident. Wait, who? Bitcoin. Oh yeah. Yes sir. We watching it live, brother. We watching it live. Oh, this is the dude I was talking about. Jason 20 times. They say now, I think it's like new 500. Where are we coming in? I said okay. Okay. Classy go, look at Classy go. Man, this 12 hours gonna flip. Jeez, man. The 1 hour is so beautiful. I know it's not set yet. It's new, but it's gonna finish green for sure. Look, then it turn red as I say that, but it's gonna finish green for sure. As long as everything holds up. This is looking good though. To push us up out this motherfudger. So y'all keep your eyes on that, man. I think I'm gonna be on time for stream. 2 p.m. Eastern. Look at that 15-minute, man. Remember the 15-minute I wrote here? We're gonna look back at this tomorrow. Okay, take a screenshot. Take a picture. Of my goofy stripply lines. Remember this candle was looking nasty for a while. The hourly made you think that, you know, we were gonna go possibly into the 4-hour candle and come test these. But you see, the 4-hour candle looks like it wants to flip green. Actually, I think it's about to flip green right now. Hold on. I think it's about to flip green right now. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Can you believe it? You better believe it. You better believe it. Now we need this to flip green. And this opened up at 61.55. So to get to 61.55, are you kidding me? Okay, so that would be getting back up to this zone here. That's basically getting to the blue line. Yeah, that 12-hour flipping. The 12 hours gonna fucking flip. Oh, I didn't mean to go to Bitcoin, but Bitcoin's moving. Oh shit. That shit caught me. We came over here. Damn. We caught a pump out of nowhere. Charge at the dark, catching pumps. Oof. What's that, Bitcoin? Okay. All right. I forgot what we was getting at over here. I forgot. I literally forgot. Yeah, what's the chances we go over there and that happened? We need to get that on Classy. Damn, I forgot what I was talking about. Oh well, 15-minute, extremely bullish now. Yeah, I said extremely bullish. Oh, yeah. Well, the 4-hour did flip green a little bit, but this 4-hour doesn't close until 53 minutes. So you got 53 minutes to get that candle to close, which means I strongly believe it's gonna close green. So I'll be looking back at this in the morning to see if this closed green or not. Plus, this candle would be here. So when I wake up, this candle would be closed. This candle would be closed. This can flip. Get up to this blue line. Oh, no, not. That's 69 million. You don't need to go that high. It's not that blue line. It's a smaller blue line. Right here. Get to this blue line. Get to that blue line right there. And this 12 hour. This 12 hour will flip green. We got the 1 hour to flip green. The 4 hour is on its way to flipping green. Looks great, man. So much action on TA and on Clash. I get more action TA on that than trying to go. Of course, I get action on TA and Bitcoin. Bitcoin be moving. If I was sit here and come TA Claro, it's not really doing much. Like I know in the 3 month it's getting set up to leave out of here. That's not much else than that. And I seen somebody saying Solana was pumping. Why is the Pi coin doing this? Shit. Wait, because they got some news. Huh. Interesting. I haven't seen Pi pump like this since this is wild. Alright then. I was been mining that crap on my phone for all them years. I still haven't sold any of my tokens yet. Yeah, Solana's gonna have a good day. Maybe a couple days, and then that gold line across purple and chill off a bit. I was supposed to get offline 30 minutes ago down there. Alright, let me get this back to where it's supposed to be. And what's Clash doing? Alright guys, as soon as I end this stream, watch what happens. Watch it. Last few things I'll say. The hourly turned green. We got a new green one forming. The 4 hour flip green. I still believe this is gonna close green. So if you guys are gonna be up 49 minutes from now, check to see if this is green or not. Because if this is green, then you know that we about to cook. Like we're gonna cook big time. Okay, I'll be asleep. So if you guys are up, you'll be like, "Oh, True said we're gonna cook." Yeah, we're probably gonna cook. And if that does that, and the next one turns green as well, then buddy, you're talking about this candle turning green, and this little gold line that looks like it's gonna go down is gonna fool you, like bamboozle you, and actually go the other way. So, and I'm still looking for this to push higher. So it all starts with the 4 hour, then the 12 hour, then we'll get to the daily eventually. But you only got one more candle after this for the 12 hour, and then you got this candle and one more for the daily. So that's what I'm gonna say to wrap it up, man. But this candle right here is very, very important right now. It's not even the 1 hour no more. It's not the 15-minute. It's not even the 12-hour. The 1 day, I guess. I mean, just one, of course, the 1 day is important, but the 4 hour is very important to me right now. This candle right here. All right, guys, I'm going to bed, man. After I brush my teeth and get in the bed, man, I'm gonna check this cord, check the chart real quick again. Probably be mad because class up pumped like 2% or something crazy. So it says 6071 as I'm getting off. All right, man. I'll be here for the stream later.